Hello guys, welcome to my new channel. This is Bagwindi Home and Garden, and this is my first video on this channel. And today I'm going to unbox this food waste disposer. My home disposer went and just will not work. So I went online and trying to find one like the original, and I found this one here, the Ecologic. This one here has several contents that I believe will work, which is the same as mine as far as horsepower. This is 1/2 horse, just like mine. And this one here is a very high RPM, as mentions on the instruction here. This one's here, it can grind up small bones, fish heads, fish bones, eggshells, corn cobs, vegetable scraps, grapefruit halves, watermelon rides, nutshells, coffee grids, fruit pits, and tea leaves. So this one here will really work well for me. So I purchased this one here, and think I'm going to like all the details that's mentioned in the instruction. So I'm going to unbox this one and see what comes in it. So let's get into it. Let me see on the other side here, more instruction. Simple operation, fast metal preparation, septic safe. And down here is a Torque Master balanced grinding system, which is a full torque on the initial revolution, and it's avoid jam before they can begin. Now down here it says high speed, high torque, permanent magnetic motor, balance, turntable, and impellers, balance armature, stainless steel grinding components, corrosion proof, which is good because a lot of water is going to be pouring down there, corrosion proof grind chamber, and laser sharp cutting rings. So you can see this device here has a lot of features that actually mentioned in the information here. So I think I'm going to like this one here. The original one lasted 10 years just as the house was made. So hopefully this one here can actually match the duration of the original one. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to unbox it and see what comes in it. Okay. Have a little bracket here with hardware. Okay, we have an elbow. I believe the elbow is for this bracket here, just like the original one. And then the hardware will attach to the device like that. Okay, here's the electrical cord for the AC outlet. It's got an insulator on there. It also has a splash guard, which is this guy right here. Whenever it turns high revolution, the water or food doesn't splash back up. So this is the guard to prevent food or water to splash back up in the sink while the motor is turning. So it has, and also it has this anchor here. Now the original one has an anchor which is attached to the sink. So I really don't need to use this at this moment. the sink is going to be replaced in a few in the early future. My wife wants to replace the sink and the countertop. So during that time, I probably will go ahead and install this new one here. But this is what the motor looks like, just like that. And this is the locking ring right here. And how this works, it rides around this guy here, just like that. And then it just slides over like that. See the lock, the lips right here, and that's how it is. And just locks in just like that once you install it. So this piece right here is currently attached on the sink on the original one. So once I remove the original one, all I have to do is remove this ring just like that, and then the motor, and then this, remove this elbow here, and then there's a hose that comes from the dishwasher into here. I would have to remove that. Once I get to that point, removing the old one, I will show you the removal process and also the installation process. But for today, it's just unboxing it and see what I have in it, and I can assess the installation process. Okay, so that is that for right now. And this is, like I said, this is my first video on this channel. And that's what it looks like on the inside. And also this has a reset switch, which is right here. For some reason, if the motor jam, it actually automatically shuts it off. And then once you release the impeller or the motor, then this is where the safety switch or the reset switch is. Just push it in and reset it, and then that should actually clear the motor and then ready for operation. Okay, so that's my unboxing process here, guys. So hopefully you like this video here for the first time on this channel. And here's the instruction. Comes in 2 languages, Spanish and English. And this gives you the breakdown and how the system was designed. But it's a very easy installation, guys. It's not really such a big issue here. So that's it. Now, before you install the hose, there is a blockage inside there for safety. This has to come out. I have to get a pick to get this out. But when I'm ready to install this motor here, I will have to take that cap out of there. So that's it for this right here, guys. Hopefully you like this new video, and thank you again thanks for watching this video. Please support this channel, and I have my other channel, which is Bagwindy DIY Auto. Go ahead over there and check it out. I got a lot of contents over there. Hopefully you'll find something interesting over there. So thanks again for watching this one, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again. See you in the next video. Goodbye.